Okay, go.
This is our 2006 Yamaha Rhino. To those of you that are familiar with the Rhino, you'll say it definitely looks different. That's because it's got a full bore body kit on it. As you can see on the front, it's also got Pro Armor front bumper and Pro Armor skid plates.
Just tip.
As you can see, the skid plates are full length, all aluminum, pretty hefty duty stuff. You ready?
I'm already recording.
Okay, and also it has ITP rims and tires. The rims are 14x7s. They are C-Series Type 7 limited edition blacks. The tires are ITP Mudlight XTRs. Really good tire for mud and snow. The Rhino has 2 inches of lift on it. We installed PRG bucket seats and some harnesses. As you can see, it's also got a fold down windshield and mirrors. Inside, it's got a Quad Boss center console. Also, it's got the Yamaha Rhino digital dash, and it's got a gaff rig fuel gauge installed. It's got a full roll cage on it. Also, it's got the side rails installed. Not sure about the brand on the side rails. The rest of the roll cage was custom built. As you can see, the full bore body kit contains everything but the doors. The rear has skid plates on the A-arms, but nothing up the back of the differential. The rear bumper is Trail Armor brand. It has a EMP battery box and a car battery. Over in the original battery box, it's got a black Rhino CDI. This CDI allows it to go up to 66 miles an hour. That's the highest I've had it so far, but better than some CDIs out there. So that's an overview of our 2006 Yamaha Rhino. Definitely looks different than stock. With the wide tires and the 2-inch spacer still installed on the back, it's actually pretty stable, even at the higher speeds on gravel roads. It's been a good side-by-side for us.